Every nation and society in the world possesses an invisible operating system, OS, that dictates the mindsets and behavioral patterns of its members. The core engine running South Korea's massive main server is a powerful collectivist protocol named Woori, we. While Western systems prioritize the independence and data sovereignty of individual I nodes as their top value, Korea's KOS is designed to forcibly synchronize all individual data to a public cloud server called Woori. This is not merely a cultural sentiment. It is a sophisticated survival algorithm developed to maximize the survival probability of the entire system throughout a turbulent history. From birth, Koreans access this Woori protocol and are trained to align their data with the collective interest. If someone refuses this sync command and tries to perform independent computations, the system immediately generates a warning log. Today, we will dissect the logical blueprint of how this legacy source code continues to execute powerful system commands beneath the brilliant hardware of modern Korea. The most marvelous architectural feature of the Woori protocol is its boundary blurring strategy that breaks down the limits of ownership and personal space. Koreans use expressions like our house or our school instead of my. This is a data sharing protocol that moves individual resources and access rights into a collective shared folder. From a security engineering perspective, this design intentionally lowers individual node firewalls to maximize central server control and dramatically increase internal communication speeds. Members decrypt their private spheres to exchange information within a single Woori bandwidth. However, this hyperconnectivity comes with fatal side effects. Individual nodes that fail to sync with the collective standard are immediately treated as malware or abnormal packets, risking isolation or erasure. Data that fails to be included in the massive Woori synchronization category experiences alienation, losing its valid path within the system, a phenomenon known as packet loss. This is the most powerful yet cruel control mechanism of KOS. The hyperspeed growth of Korea was the result of the parallel processing capability of the Woori algorithm being pushed to its limit. By skipping the decentralized processes where individual nodes calculate independently, the entire national system executed a single command, growth, like one giant CPU. The miracle on the Han River is evidence of the marvelous optimization achieved by this protocol in terms of resource allocation and execution speed. The hyperspeed bandwidth generated when all data packets move in one direction made Korea a nation with the world's fastest hardware. However, this optimization contained a fatal structural flaw. It did not support the modern libraries of diversity and individual integrity. As the social system became more sophisticated, enforcing a single Woori algorithm began to cause severe system overload. As data attempting to deviate from standardized paths surged, collision error messages began appearing throughout the system, leading to social conflict and psychological system shutdowns. The intense friction observed in modern Korean society is in fact a version clash log between the new Individualism OS patch and the legacy Woori OS. The new data nodes, known as the MZ generation, refuse to sync their private data with the collective cloud and demand their own encryption protocols. This is a critical runtime error occurring where the hierarchy of old hardware meets the horizontal values of new software. However, K-logic does not define the Woori algorithm as trash code to be discarded. Instead, we emphasize the urgent need for a new hybrid interface that preserves collective momentum while perfectly protecting individual data integrity.
when a security patch that maintains the Woori cloud while respecting individual computation rights is applied, Korean society will finally complete its true system upgrade. History is a repeating computational process, but the final output can change completely depending on the source code we choose today. K-Logic will continue to track and dissect this massive system transition of Korean society. This has been K-Logic.